guys, today we are going to make slime of BOROLINE. So first we have to take BOROLINE. Just take the amount which you want, how much you want to make slime. Now the next thing we have to take is body lotion. It is of your choice of which company you take. Just take as much as you want. But just take of that quantity only, that much you have taken body lotion, so that it will be mixed easily. Now take the color of your option. I am taking green color, you can take any color. Just mix it, mix. After mixing, you can add any company glue. I am adding AGN glue, which is company Agni. Just as much as you want, but just add of the same quantity as much as you have added body lotion. Just mix. You want, you can add some more glue, and then you can add activator of any company. I am using slime activator liquid plus, which is of Yuki Science. You can use any. Just start activating with borax activator. Just mix. Add some more. Mix. So here our slime is ready. So I am just taking out the slime. Let it cool. And here you can see our slime. Thank you guys for seeing.